Hey friends, every step I'm about to show you has been verified by professional mechanics, so relax. We're going to fix this. If your F-150 suddenly throws the message, steering assist fault, service required, don't panic thinking your steering wheel is about to turn rock hard. What it really means is that the electric power steering system, or EPAS, detected an issue and shut itself off to protect the system. Basically, the truck is telling you, hey, drive carefully until this gets checked. The first thing many owners notice on forums is that this warning doesn't always mean a serious mechanical failure. Sometimes it shows up along with other alerts like ABS, Advanced Track, or Hill Start Assist. This usually points to an electrical issue or a communication problem between modules, rather than a broken steering rack. So don't panic or assume the worst right away. One of the most common culprits is the battery or its connections. Yep, even if your battery seems good, loose terminals or an aging battery can cause unstable voltage and trigger this fault. Many mechanics report that replacing the battery or tightening the terminals made the warning disappear immediately. If the battery checks out, the next step is a system reset. Disconnecting the battery for about 10 to 15 minutes works like restarting your computer. All the modules reboot, and sometimes those ghost errors disappear completely. Some mechanics even call this their magic trick for intermittent warnings. Another important detail is dirty or loose sensors and connectors. Wheel speed sensors, steering angle sensors, or torque sensors can send erratic signals if they're dirty or not properly connected, causing the steering system to shut down. Cleaning and securing these connectors has been a simple but effective fix for many forum users. In more serious cases, the issue may be with the steering control module itself. Some mechanics at this shop fix the problem with a reset or a software update to the module, which stops it from sending false errors and restores stable steering assist. Just keep in mind, this usually requires dealership level or specialized shop equipment. And yes, in rare cases, the warning does mean the steering rack is damaged or an internal component has failed. But mechanics agree, before spending thousands of dollars, check the battery, fuses, sensors, and try resets first. Many times the problem gets solved without costly replacements.